Okay. Day, happy birthday. Manginaot ko maayo sa kanunay ang imong panglawas. Labi na ni Bibi Miranda o ni Mr. President nga imong bana. Dili. Nagkinahanglan pa sila. Day, happy birthday. We have many birthdays to come. And I love you. Mama.
Hello, hello, Dad. It's my brother. Dad, happy birthday. May you have many more birthday to come. Ingat lang palagi. Huwag mo isipin mga problema. Ganyan talaga eh. So, always good health. And I love you. Bye-bye. Thank you.
Happy birthday, May. Amping sa kanunay, I love you.
Day, happy 51st birthday. Akong gipangan sa Ginoo nga tagambag ta sa kinabuhi, may panglawas, laban lang tani yun. O daghang panggrasya nga maabot sa imo ha para daghan sa kataw matabangan. Amping kanunay, o daghan kayong salamat sa imong kaayo kat og sa imong tabang sa pamilya. Love you.
Happy birthday, Tia Marisa. I just want to say thank you for everything, and thank you for taking care of us since we're little kids, and I don't forget that. And thank you also for the things that you gave to us that makes us happy, and thank you for the guidance. And, I just wish that I wish you good health, and hoping you stay healthy and stay positive all the time. And don't forget to enjoy your day, Tia Marisa, and have fun, and be happy, and be free. Yeah. The kids, Tia Marisa, once again, happy birthday. Love you.
Hi, Te. Happy birthday, Day, and I hope na pa birthdays na maabot, and amping kanunay, Te. Yan, salamat sa tanan nga grasya nga imong gihatag namo ako sa pamilya sa tanan, and sa ilo ako, Te, kay wala ko kakuyog sa mga outings nimo kay lagi kay bawo na ka, Te. Yan, sa ilo lang ko na, Te, bawo mo ko nga lain ka na ko gamay din. Kaya to, Te, sunod na lang, basing napay sunod, so basing makakuyog ko din mo to, Te. Salamat sa tanan, sa ilo ako, and I hope na you have good health, and I wish you I wish that there's birthdays to come, and hope nga konti nga nang malipay na ka, ay dili man sa ingon nga I hope na malipayon ka permanente sa bugat yung problema dilan ay lang sa klipada sa mga problema nga konti kay gusto na kinabuhi. And then kaya ba ko tinga ma-overcome ra nimo, kaya ba ko brave ka pagkatao sgan, and so padayon lang ta, kay una lisod sad kayo. So maro ta tanan, salamat, and happy birthday, and love you, Te.
Say happy birthday.
Happy birthday,
Lola.
Marisa.
Have
A
great
great
day.
day.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye. Blind kiss.
What's up, madlang people? Hello! Happy birthday, Auntie Marisa. Thank you for everything. For always be there for us. I wish you good health, good life. Enjoy on what you are doing. Laban sa life. God bless you always. Love you. Happy birthday.
Hi, Auntie. Happiest birthday. Wish you more birthdays to come. And daghan pa ka cake umaabot. And hoping na tagaan pa ka ni Lord og taas-taas nga panahon. Since napaman si Nicole Benny og si Miranda. And may talang tagaan pasad kag baskog nga panglawas since naapasad ni mga pagumangko niya ang imuhang sigpaningil nga apo anak kay mo bantay pohon paghuwat sa mao nang pabaskog sa imong lawas. Okay, so see you later, love you, happiest birthday again.
Happy birthday, May. More birthdays to come. Love you. Bye.
Hi May, happy birthday. May this special day to bring you peace in middle of life's stresses. Remember to take care of your heart, both physically and emotionally. It's your greatest treasure. Let today be a reminder to breathe, relax, and let go of what's heavy. I'm so thankful for all the love, care, and support you've always giving me. Wishing you a year filled with calm, love, and joy. Take it one step at health and happiness. Have a heartful, stress-free celebration. Happy birthday, me.
Hi Auntie, happy birthday. God bless and good health. Love you.
Hi Te, I just want to say happiest birthday to you, and I wish you all the very best. I wish you stay healthy, stay safe, and thank you for being the best auntie that we ever have. So that's it, I love you, and I'll see you soon. Bye.
Happy birthday, Day. May you have many more birthdays. Huh? Birthdays. I wish good health.
Wow.
Amping. Huh? Love you, Day.
Hi, Ma. Happy birthday. I wish you the best. It's not my thing to do this, but I'm up in the attic because I'm too embarrassed to do this in front of others. But I wish you a happy birthday. Love you.
Hello, sweetheart. Just want to tell you happy birthday, and I love you. May you have many more years. You have to. Don't forget. I love you. Bye.
Day, happy birthday. Manginaot lang po taas kinabuhis Ginoo sa atong ibati nga ihambing karon sa atong panglawas maalibyo di maayo kasi ang ibati nga sakit ay ibati karon ang taas kinabuhis Ginoo kita sa pamilya uban ta atong pangandoy sa kinabuhi din sa kalibutan. More birthdays to come. Happy lang. Wala ka stress. Problema, dagkantag problema po. Ito, happy birthday. Love you.